Bismillahir-Rahmanir-Rahim. In the name of Allah, the most gracious, the most merciful. Welcome to English class, grade FS-1. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. Dear students, how are you? I hope you all are fine. Children, let's pray together. Rabbi zidni ilma, my Lord, increase me in knowledge. What is this? This is an egg. Egg. Repeat with me. Egg. Egg. Eagle. Eagle. Repeat with me. Eagle. Eagle. What a huge elephant. Say elephant. 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 Engine. 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 Repeat with me. Engine. Who am I? I'm letter A. 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 My sound is A. 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 Elevator. A. Elevator. Repeat with me. A. Elevator. A. Envelope. A. Envelope. A. Envelope. A. Eggplant. A. Eggplant. Repeat with me. A. Eggplant. A. Eskimos. A. Eskimos. A. Eskimos. A. Elephant. A. Elephant. A. Children, are you ready to sing poem with me? Let's start. Eggs in the pan, eggs in the pan, eggs in the pan, crack the egg like this, Well done. This is an activity time. Are you ready to do this activity? Okay, let's do it. Egg. Does egg begin with the A sound? Yes, it does. Does apple begin with the A sound? No. Does engine begin with the A sound? Yes, it does. Does ball begin with the A sound? No. Does envelope begin with the A sound? Yes, it does. Does carrot begin with the A sound? No. Children, I hope you like this activity. Allah Hafiz students. See you in next class. Take care.